Do you want to track your habits but don't want to install another app just for that purpose? Then, Notion is your solution. In this video, I'll show you how to build your very own habit tracker with recurring tasks in Notion. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So, this is a blank page, and we are going to get started. Habit tracker, and then create a database of table view. And we are going to create a blank database. Let's take a habits, and we are going to create a template by clicking on this new button and a new template here. So let's go with habits. Add a property of checkbox. Let's go with habit reading, and then duplicate this. You can make as many habits as you want. I'm going to make 4. Now we are going to make a progress bar by using formula. You can search formula. Formula. Just enter. So let's get started with a parenthesis to number. This is a property. And what is that? Yep, reading. You can just type the habits which you have mentioned and it will come here. Plus to number, writing, close parenthesis, then again plus to number what? Oh yeah, here should be a parenthesis. To number, reading, writing, journaling, plus to number, meditation. I think I forgot to add a parenthesis here. Also another close one here. Is this okay? Yeah, this is okay. Save this. We are going to edit this to make it like a ring and change the color to any color you want. I'm going to go with red. And divide the number by the number of habits you have. Right now I have 4, so let's go with 4. And also I'll hide the number which is shown here. That is show number. So if I do this, see. You are done. I want to delete this. Yeah, and then add a created time property. We are all done in this, so let's go. To make that habit repeat, we are going to set this as default. And turn repeat on. You can turn this daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. I'm going to go with daily and every day at, yep, this time is okay. Created at 12 AM GST. Save. So one quick edit you should make is change the name of the habit template which we created to @today, that is date when duplicated. So that whenever a new template is created, the date of that day will appear instead of the name of the template. So now let's create a shortcut button to check these tasks without clicking here always. For that, \button and click on this. And we are going to name the button anything. Let's name it by journaling. The habit which we have done, journaled. And when the button is clicked, we have to add action. So we'll make the add action edit pages in select database, that is habits, and edit a property. Journaling checked. See, if we do this, it will edit all pages in the habit planner, that is of every day. But if we want to do it just for today, then where created time is today, and then done. So let's click on this button and see. Today is it's checked. We can create same buttons for the other things. So let's create it first. I'll show you one more and then I'll just duplicate for the other habits. Button, meditation, meditated. When the button is clicked, edit pages in habit, edit a property, that is meditation checked, and we are going to make it just for today. So where created time is today, and done. So let's do this and then see, it's done. Now I'm just gonna duplicate it for the other habits. So let's add it side by side on the top. And it's done. Now you have a fully functional habit tracker. You can create as many habits as you want and add as many buttons as you want by the same process. I'm going to add a cover and icons and add a gallery view. You can customize it according to yourself. The link to the template will be given in the description box. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.